Since this cup is taped to the ruler, your victim doesn't know that, so they're gonna pick up this cup. Alright, so here we got 2 cups. These are 2 styrofoam cups. They're the same size. What we're gonna do is, we're gonna take both cups and tape them onto the ruler, one on each end. So just take some tape and attach the cup to the ruler like so, guys. Here's the thing though. We don't want the tape to show on the sides of the cup. So you're gonna need some scissors. If the tape does stick out, you need to cut it off, because that would probably warn our victims that this is a prank. So it should look a little something like this. The other cup, it's optional. We don't really have to tape it on. If you don't want to, it'll be an even bigger mess. And you know what? I'm not gonna tape it. I wanna make the biggest mess I possibly can. So we're gonna fill up this cup with water now. And I'm gonna try to fill it completely all the way to the top. Just like that. So what's gonna happen here is that this cup is gonna be on the edge. So it's gonna be sticking out from the table, counter, or wherever you guys decide to set up this prank. And the cup with the water is gonna be keeping this cup from falling. So this is what it should look like. This is very clever, guys. I really like this prank. This cup doesn't have anything, but we are gonna fill it up now. We're not gonna fill it up as much as this one. We're just gonna fill it up maybe a quarter to 1/3 of it. All right, so I just let go and the prank is set. So if you think you're smart, you would probably pick up this cup first, right? Because if you picked up this first, would cause this cup to drop and fall and make a mess. But if you remove this one, then there's no mess, right? Or so your victim thinks. So here's what would happen, guys. Since this cup is taped to the ruler, your victim doesn't know that, so they're gonna pick up this cup, and that happens. Oh man. And yep, it caused a big old spill. They thought they were smart, but you outsmarted them with this prank. So we're barely gonna place the bowl over the balloon like this. So let's see what's gonna happen. Oh, look at this mess.